Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing Revel Nail Fall into Winter collection. So Revel was so kind to send me this collection. I was so happy when I got this in the mail. So in the kit, there are 6 dip powders and the matching nail polish. So if you like your tools to match your nails, then you should get this collection if it's still available. As always, the dip powders came sealed and I swatched the dip powders and nail polishes off camera. I wanted to see if the dip powders and the nail polishes were exactly the same color. Only one of them was a tad bit off, which was Divine, but all of them were still gorgeous nonetheless. So for today's design, I'm going to be using Meraki, Introspect and Embrace. I didn't use any glitter for this mani. I should be doing another mani with this collection if time permits, so I'll definitely be using the glitters. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. So on the ring finger, I'm using this brown dip powder and I did 3 layers of that. This color is so close to my complexion. I don't know if it looked good on me or not. I have mixed feelings about this color. It's a nice color, but on me, meh. On the pinky nail, I wanted to do an ombre with the green and the brown dip powder. I did not apply the lighter color first because this brown isn't that light, so I started with the ombre. I have a video where I show a detailed step-by-step on how I usually do my ombre, so I'll link it in the cards. And I also did the same for my index finger as well. On the middle finger, I'm doing 2 layers of the brown dip powder. Then in a container I placed the brown, green and burgundy dip powder and swirl it together to get the marble effect. Then I placed some base on my nail and I laid my finger into the marble mixture. Now I place some activator on my nails to bring back some color into the nails because it was looking a bit whitish and I wait for them to dry. Then I encapsulated the nails with some clear dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I only showed one layer. Now I apply activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and if you like to see my filing routine, I'll link to that video in the cards. Now on the ring finger, I applied my Model 1's gel glue and top coat, and then I placed some rhinestones down the center of the nail and I cured for 30 seconds. Now using some more top coat, I'm going to be attempting a sweater nail. My hands were not steady at all during this design, but it didn't look too bad. So I forgot to mention that I used matte top coat, however the nail still looks kind of shiny. I'm assuming it's because I used the gel glue underneath that. So I don't know what I could do about that. Then I poured some clear dip powder on the nail and cured for 30 seconds, which wasn't a good idea. I didn't like how it looked, but at first I thought I was just overreacting because, you know, I overreact a lot, so I didn't really do anything about it. At first I decided to apply my top coat to all of the other nails and then cured for 30 seconds. As you can see right here, it didn't look that good, so I did it over and I poured the brown dip powder instead. It looked way better, but the sweater needed some help, some serious help. I didn't like it at all, so I removed the sweater nail and placed some rhinestones on the cuticle area. I need to work on my rhinestone application, to be honest. It needs a little work, but it looks way better to me compared to the sweater nails. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. And this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're gonna want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.